Hello. The idea is to create a simple internal notification system for a desktop application. Conditions. Do not use system notifications. Only Qt, do not use third-party libraries. Do not use QMessageBox. The system should have a specific position for any size of the application window and its placement inside the monitor window. Basic customization based on the notification type. This implementation consists of two parts. A QDialog-based notification, which has convenient attributes and flags, and is easily customized using QSS. And a manager that controls the appearance and hiding of the notification by timer, as well as positioning within the application window. My example is a basic application that generates random notifications every 3 seconds. This is just a demo without interesting notification customization. Also, there is no limit on the number of active notifications. The code is in the description under the video. Thanks for watching.